72 CST, two-wheel drive, original motor, transmission, single wall top. So here we are in Kentucky, and I happened upon this little honey hole of two-wheel drive Blazers about 6 years ago, and talked to this guy quite a while ago about buying one, and he was never willing to sell one. And so anyways, here we are today, and I am buying, I can't flip the camera around. I don't know how to flip the camera around, but I'm buying several of them. So here's our score. There's a 1972 two-wheel drive original CST, two-wheel drive Suburban.
Get out of your way.
Two-wheel drive factory CST, two-wheel drive Blazer, and a 1970 factory two-wheel drive that needs new front frame horns welded in. It needs a lot of work. That one there is pretty rough, but it is a 1970, one of 985. That's a 72 CST non-AC truck though. And then there's another remains of a 72 two-wheel drive Blazer up underneath all that mess. 72 Suburban. And then a 1990 Suburban. Factory air in the rear. Clean truck. Big block truck. All right, tell me this one again.
That's a 72 two-wheel drive Blazer CST, original motor, transmission, factory air. I don't remember if it's got tilled or not, but I thought I got it for it.
72 CST, two-wheel drive, original motor, transmission, single wall top.
I got it up to
It's in the jingweeds. '69 step side, 6-cylinder, 303, 1990 3/4 ton Suburban, 454, 72 350 AC, two-wheel drive. Been sitting for quite some time. Got a top sitting there. 78 3/4 ton pickup back there. Pretty rough. I don't know if there's even good solid panels on it. The Suburban. It's a 72 Suburban. Rear air and heat. 70 Blazer frame and some body panels in the garage. 72 Blazer, two-wheel drive, all of them are two-wheel drive. And a 70 Blazer, two-wheel drive, got smacked in the front. Buying from that red, orange one down to that white one. There goes the 70 and the 90. 70 Blazer and the 90 Suburban. Whoa! We're done over here. The boys are loading up some stuff. And we got this one loaded up. I gotta go bind it down. We still got a few things to go. There's the second one, I guess. 1972 CST. Two-wheel drive, factory two-wheel drive. It is pretty rough. Definitely rough, but right there's how I got it. Double wall top. There is no hatch on that one. It's busted. I don't know what gonna need most all the panels, I think. Cylinder, 3 on the tree. It's rough, but it is factory CST, 2-wheel drive, 72. All right, here we go. Finally got them cleaned out. Had everything from 69 Camaro fenders to a whole bunch of beer cans and 69 to 72 fender drag car springs. But it's we're gonna pressure wash it here now, both of them. Don't be looking in the background. The background's a mess. There's that. Unfortunately, he took the good door off of this truck to build his other Blazer. But so let's see what they look like when we get them pressure washed here in a little bit. This back seat, actually the back seat's in good shape. The buckets are not in good shape. Okay, here's a original 1972 K5 Blazer CST factory air truck, factory V8 automatic truck, single wall top. It's going to need a little attention. That hood, I've got a hood for it. I've got a grill surround. I don't have the grill insert. This door the previous owner took off and replaced with this one. It's going to need rocker. It's going to need a few little things. There is no interior. There is a set of buckets, but they're in pretty rough shape. But the floor is nice. Other than right there, you can see daylight through a little bit there. So you might be able to get away with just outer rockers on this. On that, it looks like, or inner rockers, I'm sorry. Quarter panels, rocker boxes, all that in good shape. This tailgate is bad on the bottom.